Welcome to another episode of Finance for 20s. In this video, I'm going to be discussing 6 financial goals to achieve in your 20s. Now, these goals will not only help you build wealth, but also help you establish good financial habits and set you up for long-term success. Now, I want you to know that this video is not to put pressure on you or on anyone, but to let you know what your priorities are, especially when it comes to your finances in your 20s. So with that being said, let's get into the video. The first financial goal to achieve in your 20s is to build an emergency fund. Now, one of the most important financial goals to achieve in your 20s is to start saving and aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses aside in an emergency fund. Now, an emergency fund is a dedicated savings account specifically meant to cover your unexpected expenses or your financial emergencies such as your job loss, medical expenses, and so on. It can serve as a safety net, providing you with peace of mind and financial security. Now, having an emergency fund allows you to navigate through the challenging times without resorting to loans from banks. Now, by consistently contributing to your emergency fund, you can protect yourself from falling into debt and ensure financial stability. The second financial goal to achieve in your 20s is to pay off high-interest debt. Now, paying off high-interest debt is a crucial financial goal that should be prioritized, especially in your 20s. Now, having high-interest debt can significantly hinder you from your financial progress and can also limit your ability to build wealth, especially when you are in your 20s. Now, by focusing on paying off all your debt, you can save more money and also improve your overall financial health. Now, if you have a very high debt to pay, I will really advise you to create a debt repayment plan. Now, take the time to assess all your debt, plan how you can pay them back, and stick to that plan. So if you're in your 20s and you have high debt, please make it a goal to pay them off very fast. The third financial goal to achieve in your 20s is to create a budget and stick to it. Now, establishing a budget is a fundamental financial goal that can help you manage your money effectively and also achieve your financial goals. Now, a budget allows you to allocate your income towards different expenses, prioritize your savings, and also track your spending habits. It also provides you with a clear understanding of your financial situation, and it helps you to make informed and good decisions about where your money should go. Also, creating a budget brings about self-awareness and personal growth. Now, it's not only about creating a budget, but also sticking to your budget. Sticking to your budget will require a lot of discipline for you, but it is an essential tool for maintaining financial control and avoiding unnecessary debt. The fourth financial goal to achieve in your 20s is to save for short-term goals. Now, while it is important to focus on your long-term financial goals like your retirement and so on, it is equally vital to save for your short-term goals. So whether it's for a house or a dream vacation or to further your education, setting aside money specifically for these short-term goals can prevent you from accumulating debt to fund them. So I really advise you that you make it a goal while in your 20s to save for these short-term goals instead of waiting till when you actually need the money. And you can do this by automating your savings into a separate account for each short-term goal. The fifth financial goal to achieve in your 20s is financial literacy. Now, financial literacy is a crucial financial goal that individuals should strive to achieve, especially in their 20s. It refers to having a solid understanding of various financial concepts, principles, and practices that are essential to help you make informed and good financial decisions. And one aspect of financial literacy is understanding the basics of personal finance, such as budgeting, saving, and investing. Because with this knowledge, you can create a budget that aligns with your financial goals, save money effectively, and also make informed and good investment decisions. Also, with financial literacy, you can also understand concepts like compound interest, diversification, and risk management, which are very vital for long-term financial success. So overall, financial literacy is a critical financial goal in your 20s because it provides a strong foundation for making good financial decisions. So make it a goal to educate yourself on personal finance while you are still in your 20s. And you can do this by reading different personal finance books. And I already have a video on the 6 personal finance books you need to read in your 20s. I'll put the link to that video in the description below. The 6th financial goal to achieve in your 20s is to invest in yourself. Now, while you're in your 20s, investing in yourself is just as important as investing in your financial future. You need to continuously seek opportunities to enhance your skills and your knowledge, whether through formal education, professional certifications, or personal development, or learning a new skill. You can unlock numerous benefits that positively impact your financial well-being. Investing in yourself can also lead to better career prospects, increased earning potential, and also personal growth. And you can also consider attending workshops, networking events, or online courses that are relevant to your field or your areas of interest. In that way, you can also invest in yourself. And the best time to do all of this is while you are still in your 20s. By investing in yourself, you are laying the foundation for a successful and fulfilling professional journey. Now, I want you to remember that you are your most valuable asset, and investing in yourself will pay dividends throughout your lifetime. So these are 6 of the financial goals you should focus on in your 20s. And if you have more goals you think everyone should achieve in their 20s, you can share them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode of Finance for 20s. Bye.